Happy weekend, everybody. As you can see, the 2010 New South Wales Police FJR1300 is looking much more complete. Not quite finished. She doesn't run yet, but much more complete in as much as all the bits and pieces are now on the bike. You can see lights are in the right place, signage, rear pole light, LEDs on both sides, and of course you'll all be wanting the guided tour of the lights, so allow me to oblige. Up to the dash, there we go. Key on. Uncalibrated speedo right there, but that's the police option. Master switches for front and rear, and let the Christmas tree light up. There you go. That's the sight you'll do not want to see in your rear view mirror in New South Wales. 2010 New South Wales Police at Yamaha FJR1300. Stay tuned for more updates.